Hey traders, welcome back. As you can see here, we are on the gold chart or XAUUSD chart, and it is daily time frame. As you can see here, we have this trend line for the price with 4 touches on that: first, second, third and fourth touch. Okay, and if we have a break out of this trend line to the downside, actually we should extend it a bit like this right now. After that small shadow out of this trend line, if we see a candle body close below this trend line on the daily time frame, then we can decide based on that and enter sell position, set our stop loss and look for our reward. And the point is that this position is a long-term position, okay, and we might get the result after a week, okay, or even 10 days later, okay. I'm not interested in these kind of positions because your risk is big, okay. You risk big to actually earn something, okay. I'm interested in the positions which are actually giving you the result faster, like in 5-minute time frame or 1-minute time frame, or rarely in 15-minute time frame, okay. But you can open this position if the body of this candle or the next candles can close below this trend line and break it. You can actually enter sell position. But in the 15-minute time frame, if you check that, we have a trend line here with 3 touches on that. 1, 2, 3 touches, okay, a bit shadow up there like this. And if the price can break it to the upside and can close a body of the candle up there, okay, on 15-minute time frame, we can enter buy position, set our stop loss and look for our reward. Nothing else, but let's check the lower time frames like 5-minute time frame. We also have the trend line here too, like this one, okay, with 2 touches on that, with the break of this to the downside, in 5-minute time frame, okay, with the break of this to the downside and close a candle below this, we can enter sell position too. And let's check the 1-minute time frame to see if we have anything or not. Actually, we should draw our line a bit more clear like this and true, and yeah, nothing else. We can also have a trend line like this one here too, and we connect this one to this one, and it gives us here, when we see that small shadow, we again extend it with the break of this trend line also to the upside, we can enter buy position. Too much of positions, but you are gonna decide to enter which position or not, which the price is breaking to the upside. If it can break this one, it will break the 15-minute position and the trend line too. Don't forget to put your stop loss, okay, if you enter any positions here actually, and don't forget money management and risk management too. Also make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more daily crypto and forex analysis, and also leave me a comment and tell me your ideas about the future of gold in the next days. And if you have any questions, you can ask me in the comments. So this part is finished. Let's move to the next part, the education part, which you can also see the 3 days ago's positions too. Guys, as you can see here, we are on the gold chart or XAUUSD chart, and it is 5-minute time frame. The first position we're gonna see is this one, a trend line here with 2 touches, actually 3 touches, another touch here. On the 4th time it was broken here, okay, to the downside. We could risk here an enter sell position, put our stop loss above the candle here, or even safer, and look for risk to reward 2, which the price gives us our risk to reward 3 somewhere here on these pin bars here, okay. After that you can see the price started going up. Actually, you should do something when the price gives you actually the risk to reward 2 or even 1, and it depends on you, actually something personal, not technical side. It doesn't have any technical side on that. On the second position, we did have this trend line with 3 touches again. It's actually a trend line for a 1 minute time frame, but we could also enter on the 5 minute time frame too. We had a trend line with 3 touches on that, first, second, and the third touch. On the fourth time, it was broken to the downside, and the candle closed itself below this trend line, so we can enter sell position there, put our stop loss somewhere safe, and look for risk to reward 2, which the price gives us something around RR4 somewhere here, and even more than that on this shadow there. On the third position, we did have this trend line with 4 touches on that. 1, 2, 3, 4 touches. On the fifth time, it was broken somewhere here or even here. It depends on you where to enter. Just a bit, the body of the candle can close out of the trend line. That is a breakout, then we can enter buy position. So I did enter here, I did put my stop loss somewhere safe, and you could also put it safer somewhere here and look for risk to reward 2, which the price gives us our reward somewhere here at the end of the day, actually somewhere here, as you can see that separator line there. We could also enter buy position with the break of this trend line to the upside. If we have missed this one, we could enter buy position with here, putting our stop loss below this and look for our reward. Also make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more daily crypto and forex analysis, and leave me a comment and tell me your ideas about the future of gold or XAUUSD in the upcoming days. And if you have any questions, you can ask me in the comments. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.